Hello, Zema. Today is December 1st, 2022. We have 1 month left to over 2022. Today is no. You're trying to change the channel, Zema? What happened? Okay. I know today the weather is not really good. You know why? Look at the turtle sleeping because the weather is raining. Look at that. It is a raining day, but it's good for the flower, good for the tree, good for the corpse. Oop, oop, oop. Yes. You really feel sleepy, turtle? Yeah. Today is a raining day and not sunny. Usually turtle come over here have a sun bath. Today is raining, but it's kind of sleepy. You look sleepy. Okay. And I know Zema did something wrong. What did you do, huh? Zema, what did you do? What did you do with the computer, huh? You press something? Oh, you feel sleepy? Zema was making noise whole night, not sleeping. Now I just watch some fun movie for you. Okay, Zema? Okay, Zema? Okay? Okay? Zema is the youngest. You are the youngest one in my house. You are the youngest one. Okay? Okay, clean. Okay, and you watch at the same time, huh? Zema love to watch all the time. She is the lover, watching and playing, making noise, fighting, all kind of stuff that Zema does here. Okay, bye.